Welcome to how to earn money from ChatGPT tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to earn money from ChatGPT by making ebooks and self-publish. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So how does that work? So if you see this article, it says that ChatGPT launches boom in AI written ebooks in Amazon. So there's a lot of people that make ebooks using ChatGPT and publishing it in Amazon Kindle, and they make a lot of money. They publish a lot of books, a lot of them really sells. As you see here, it could sell from $3 to $10 for printed version, and more and more. All you need to do is go to ChatGPT and tell him to make a book, then go to Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing and you can publish that book from here. As you see in Amazon Books, there's a lot of kid books that been published by ChatGPT. So let's jump to the point. If we go to ChatGPT, we can write him a simple text to let him make us a kid's book. So I told ChatGPT to make me a kid's storybook for 5 to 13 years old about 5 kids that been lost in the woods and got in a lot of adventures, and make it 1500 words and make it unique story. So we'll give it to ChatGPT and we'll see what he will generate. And as you see, ChatGPT made me a 7 chapters full story that you can sell in Amazon Kindle. So you can just copy the story and edit some stuff and make your manipulation. Then you can share it in Amazon Kindle for $1 or $2 or more, as you see it fit. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.